Next topic you write, need or importance of gap. Need or importance of gap. Need or importance of gap or accounting principles, as you like. What are the needs of accounting principles? What are the necessity of accounting principles? This may be a question for you. Right? Number one, uniformity in accounting. Number one, uniformity in accounting. You know that accounting principles are used by some people. They are users of accounting information. I told you that. So, accounting is a language of the business. This language has to be clearly passed on to the user. So, for that purpose, accounting principle is very important because it gives uniformity in accounting. So, that is the need importance. It gives uniformity. Number two, comparability of accounting information. Comparability of accounting information. Comparability. That we discussed earlier also, that when accounting principles are followed, then the financial statements will be presented in the same format. So it can be easily compared from one business to another business or same business of different years. You can compare these accounting statements. So accounting principles are important because it makes the accounting statements comparable. Okay? The next point. Reliability of accounting information. Reliability of accounting information. Reliability. So once you follow the principles, then account becomes reliable. You can rely on that. That day we studied qualitative characteristics. One was reliability. So how can you make the accounting information reliable? The answer is by following the principles. If principles are followed, then it is reliable. Simple. So that is an importance. Next point you write, unbiased reporting. Unbiased reporting. Unbiased reporting. When you follow the principles, then there will not be any biasness. Otherwise, some group of people, they can manipulate the accounts for their favor. So when principles are there, when principles are followed, then it will be unbiased. So this is the importance of principles. One more point you write, guidelines to accountants. Guidelines to accountants. Guidelines to accountants. So accounting principles help as a guideline. Suppose simply knowing journal entry is not sufficient. That day I gave you one journal. You remember? What journal was there? Guwahati Commerce College will purchase computer of 5 lakh. And you passed it. Some of you in past entry. You didn't pass. Yeah. Because you don't know the principle. So if principle is not there, then anybody will pass the entry of that. There's a future. I gave the entry, Guwahati Commerce College will purchase computer of 5 lakh in cash. Can you pass the entry? She will pass. You cannot pass the entry because this future. Transaction has not taken place. So if you know the principle, then you cannot pass this entry. You shall not pass this entry. You should know the principle of financial accounting. If you know the principle of financial accounting, this financial accounting, only then you shall understand that financial accounting records all past data. Right? Financial accounting records all past data. So once you remember this principle, then you shall not pass these types of entries. That is the principle, guideline. Okay?